Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about a scientist named Vikram Ambala Sarabhai. So let's start. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai. Introduction. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai was an Indian physician and industrialist who initiated space research and helped in developing nuclear power in India. He is internationally regarded as the father of the Indian space program. He was also chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. He, along with other Ahmedabad-based industrialists, played a major role in the creation of the Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad. Place of birth and family background. Born. He was born on 12th August 1919 in Ahmedabad. Died. He died on 30th December 1971 in Kovalam. He was son of Ambalal Sarabhai. He came from the famous Sarabhai family of India, who were major industrialists committed to the Indian independence movement. Vikram Sarabhai married the classical dancer Mrinalini in 1942. He had two children. His daughter Malaika gained prominence as an actress and activist, and his son Kartikya to become an active person in science. During his lifetime, he practiced Jainism. Education. He attended Gujarat College in Ahmedabad, but later moved to the University of Cambridge in England, where he took his trifles in natural sciences in 1940. After moving to India during World War II, he undertook research in cosmic rays under physician Sir Chandrasekhara Venkataraman at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. Mr. Sarabhai returned to the Cambridge post-World War II and went on to pursue his doctorate and submitted a thesis, Cosmic Ray Investigation in Tropical Latitudes, in 1947. Urged to be an inventor. He is well known for the cradle of space sciences in India. Physical Research Laboratory, that is PRL, was founded in 1947 by Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai was the pioneer scientist who led Indian Space Research Institute, that is ISRO, to launch the first Indian satellite Aryabhatta into the orbit. Work done by Vikram Sarabhai. He is well known for the cradle of space sciences in India. The Physical Research Laboratory, that is PRL, was founded in 1947 by Vikram Sarabhai. He set up the Operations Research Group, that is ORG, the first market research organization in the country. Sarabhai also set up the Nehru Foundation for Development in Ahmedabad, the Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad, the Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association, that is ATIRA, and CEPT, among other notable institutes. Achievements and honors. The establishment of Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, was one of his greatest achievements. He successfully convinced the government of the importance of a space program for a developing country like India after the Russian Sputnik launch. Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba, widely regarded as the father of India's nuclear science program, supported Dr. Sarabhai in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. This center was established at Thamba near Thiruvananthapuram on the coast of the Arabian Sea, primarily because of its proximity to the equator. Awards. He was honored with the Padma Bhushan in 1966. He was also honored with Padma Vibhushan in 1972. Presented by Kajal Patel and Sonal Pawar of Ninth C. Thank you.